This is my last video of this job after it's all done. Today is Tuesday, February 8th, I think, 2022. I'm working downtown and these offices are done. And this is the joint between the carpet tile and the commercial carpet. And going down here, it's the same thing. And that's the boardroom, the most important room of this job. I'm happy about the joints. It took me a while to do it. It was very tough to match. And this is what it looks like from the outside. This is all walls. As for this room, same story. Those buckles, some of them by tomorrow morning will be gone, just for the glue to dry. I don't know who did the hallway. And here, there's a few buckles. I will roll them before I go. And this is gonna be for tomorrow. This and all the other rooms.